from the right to the left and remain standing while we sing the alma mater led by Kelsey I.
Woodbridge High, our praise to thee, we guard thy name with dignity, integrity, and pride remain a living tribute to thy name. With our brilliant red and gold, victorious colors ever bold, we will lift our standard high amid the stars against the sky. Knowledge gained will make us strong, friendship true, our lifelong song. Warriors now forever free. Woodbridge High, we hail to thee.
Now's the time to throw your hat up in the air. Parents and guests, you're now invited onto the field to meet the graduates of the class of 2015. Congratulations.